is gonna sit for everybody. Watch. Zach is gonna sit for everybody. Sit. Sit, Zach. Hold your thighs. Hold your legs. Legs. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand right here. Keep your hand right there. You can do it, Zachy. Come on, come on. Watch, watch, watch. Ready? Whoa! Come here. Watch. Sit up. Ready? Straighten your arms. Support your body. You can do it. Yay! Bump. Zach. Zach, come on. Sit up, Zach. Watch. Your legs right here. Oh, dribble. Okay, ready? Hold your legs. Hold your little chunky legs. Ready? Come on. No, you can't sit properly? Not yet? We're going to practice, okay? Yay! Look at that. You see? You did it. You did it, big boy. Yeah. Yes. Say hi. Hi. It's me. Yay. Pretty soon I'll be walking. Pretty soon I'll be walking. Yeah, Zach? What do you think? Boom, kaboom, 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 boom, boom.